necessities that I need for the day, and this is my lunch. But guess what, I am not heading out. I already head out. You guys already saw a little piece of that. I'm heading back home. I'm back home. What am I talking about? That was just a bit extra, but I'm back home earlier than expected. You guys, so much drama this morning when I got to school. Day one didn't start it off how I expected it. It is now 15 minutes before 1 p.m. and I'm home. Normally, school is to be from 9 o'clock until 4:30, and here am I at home. Why am I home, you ask? Okay, let me sit down and give you the story because I'm tired. My feet's tired. So I'm gonna sit down and give you the rundown. So let's go. Sit down.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi kids, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Today is the day. Today is the day where girls head to school. Mama is going to school, so I've been up from morning, work out with babe, got dressed, and now I'm getting my kids up to get them ready to drop them off to school extra early today. My kids are going to morning care, so they are going to school 30 minutes earlier. Yeah, call it about 30 minutes earlier, 30 to 35 minutes earlier than their usual timing. So talk about multitask. This is where my multitasking skills are put to the test. So I'm just all over the place while I'm talking to you guys. So bear with me while I multitask and get through my morning. Say good morning.
Good morning. Excuse me, Mama.
Yes.
If you see my library school book on my desk is normal because it's tomorrow I carry it. But
Okay, here
not
goes your
Monday.
breakfast.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And you eat and go straight to brush your teeth, okay?
Okay.
Now Tyler is up. It's time for me to go pick up the princess and get her ready and her breakfast so we can get out of here. I have 35 minutes to get out of the house. So here we go. So have a good day. How are you guys doing? I'm just all over the place. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well and staying safe and staying blessed and staying motivated and staying encouraged and be kind to one another and smiling and all the good things that makes you happy and stress-free. So I'm gonna go pick up my girl now, so I'll catch you guys at some point throughout today. Let's go get the daughter while Tyler is eating over there. Can I have milk with chocolate in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say morning, faves.
One.
Good job. Sit. I'm gonna drink milk, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Good job. Now hold it for Mama, please. Hold it. Tyler, come on. Let's go. Eat up.
Finish.
Sarah, finish?
Yeah.
Wow, good job.
Mama.
Yeah.
Type finish.
Is that finished too? Tata finished crap. Good job, Tata.
I'm drinking water.
And just like that, boom, we're off to drop my babies. You ready for school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready for work? Hey.
Yes, I am.
Anyway, guys, we're off to drop the kids, and then I'm off. We're off. So I'll catch you guys later. Transportation finish. Babe dropped me, and then I took the tram, finished the tram, and now I'm gonna catch the bus, which is the last transportation. And I'm way in advance of time because now is 8:15 and school starts at 9 o'clock, so I'll get there 30 minutes in advance. It's my first day, so I had to feel it out to see exactly what time will be like, or what time I'll get there, and what the transportation and what the vibe will be like in the mornings. So 30 minutes in advance is not bad. So I'm going now to catch the bus, and it was cold. So much people out in the street at this time of the morning. I hate people, but that's okay. We're doing what we gotta do in this break. Make it happen, shorty. So I need to catch the number 11. So here we go. There's so much construction happening on the streets that I'm walking on. It's so noisy. Immediately at the bus stop. So I'm gonna put you guys up right now, just showing you the noise that I'm walking into. Yeah, construction everywhere on this road. People commuting, going about their business early in the morning. Pretending like I'm heading to school or coming back from school. Which one? You see my bag, you guys? The amount of things is in my bag. The entire thing to satisfy me for the day. Books, all the necessities that I need for the day. And this is my lunch. But guess what? I am not heading out. I already head out. You guys already saw a little piece of that. I'm heading back home. I'm back home. What am I talking about? That was just a bit extra. But I'm back home. Home earlier than expected. You guys, so much drama this morning when I got to school. Day one didn't start it off how I expected it. It is now 15 minutes before 1 p.m. and I'm home. Normally, school is to be from 9 o'clock until 4:30, and here am I at home. Why am I home, you ask? Okay, let me sit down and give you the story because I'm tired. My feet's tired. So I'm gonna sit down and give you the rundown. So let's go. Sit down and chat a bit. I just got home, and since the information is fresh in my brain, I'm just gonna give it to you right away. Oh, I'm tired. So you guys know that I had school this morning. Well excited, well nervous. Let's back up a bit. Let me give you guys a little backstory. So I'm doing these classes, these French classes, with the city. Okay, so I register with the city, I check in with them check in with me. You guys know that I went to the evaluation. I did well on the evaluation. Selected for the class, was told when the class is gonna start, which is today, the 3rd of October. And the class is supposed to run for 2 months, right? This particular session is supposed to run for 2 months. And then after this 2 months finish, I'll try and get into another upgraded class depending on how I do with 2 months. But let's focus on this 2 months for now. So the class is supposed to start today. Got all the information. Last week I got a call from, let's call this person my liaison, right? Says they're going to send me a text message or an email pertaining to today. So that was last week, Tuesday. The entire week passed. I did not receive the message or the email. So I was saying in my head, okay, probably she just forget to send it to me and I didn't get back to her on it or anything. So yeah, that was the end of that conversation. So I know that class started today at 9 o'clock. So I went in 9 o'clock this morning, on time, everything 30 minutes in advance. 9 o'clock passed. Nobody came to the gate to get me. I keep asking at the information desk. They say I just have to wait at that particular gate and somebody will come. 9:10 passed. I'm communicating with babe. I'm telling him that I'm starting getting worried. Still nobody to talk to. 9:15 passed. Then one of the girl came who I recognized from the evaluation because she and I was speaking from that evaluation that I went a few weeks back. And she said that she got the message and an email that I was supposed to also get, that she is to come today, this morning, for 9:30 a.m. So I'm saying, okay. Some more people came and they said they also got a message to come at 9:30 this morning, and I got no message, no email, nothing. So I'm like, Lord, what is this? So I said, okay, let me stay with these set of people until 9:30. 9:30 came, and the lady came and said, you're to only come inside if you get a text message or any form of communication about today. So I told her that I didn't get any text message, but I got a call. I didn't get any email, but I got a call. She said, she's not so sure about just the call alone. But anyway, I am to come inside and she'll see if my name is on the list that she have. So she said if her name is not on the list, if my name is not on her list, then it's probably her colleague list. My name wasn't on her list, so that's gone. She took her set of people and she went. Another lady came and my name was on her list, but of course I wanted to know why my name wasn't on the list and why I got this call and why I didn't got these messages and stuff and stuff and stuff. So she said that this is group 2, so obviously it's a group. There was a group 1 and then there's a group 3. So if my name is not in this group, I'll be in group 3, and group 3 is not until the 17th of October. I'm like, what? Are you serious? So she says she's sorry, there's nothing she can do about it, and she'll see me out and I have to come back on the 17th of October, or I have to call and find out I'll have to wait on my message to come on the 17th of October. But I said, I got the call, but the message never came in. So someone from the office that sent the call was there, and she was like, okay, we can figure this out. So some people on this same lady list that she was calling, some people didn't show up. So she said, okay, since some people didn't show up, take her in this group. So that's how I end up getting accepted today into this group 2. So everybody was getting their paper to sign and everything, and I wasn't getting any paper to sign, or I got the papers eventually, but I get them after everybody else because they had to go back to the office and get the ones with my name on it and come back and yada yada yada. But all in all, it's sorted out. I got my pass for the gate, my beep to beep myself in the mornings, and it got sorted out. But I am home because today was only 2 hours and a half just to sign all these papers, know what our schedule will be like, know what we'll be working on, know when we're gonna have evaluations, which is like a test or an exam, and know what to expect, and know the rules of the school, and know where to go to eat and all those things, the toilet and all those little things. So I hope I didn't lose you guys along the way. So this morning was pretty stressful, not what I was expecting in day 1, but if I didn't get in, me and I would have to sit home and wait again until the 17th of October, which would be devastating. But if that's what it is, then that's what I would have to do. But thank God I get sorted out. I had to be active for myself this morning and talk my way through and figure why and what's going on and stuff. But I figured it out, and they figured it out, and they fixed what they need to fix. So I'm in. So tomorrow I'll be back for not 9:30 but 9 o'clock for real this time until 4:30 all day. So I am home. I am hungry. I'm tired. So I'm gonna eat my lunch. And you guys, thanks for listening to my little rant. I'm a bit disappointed, but I'm not so really disappointed because everything happened for a reason. It means that it was supposed to go this way, and it is what it is. So I'm gonna have some lunch, take a breather, figure out the rest of my day, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for listening to my little rant. You guys, look what I picked up from school. Say hello to Faith. How was your day at school? How was your day? She's talking. You did velo at school?
Yeah.
She said she did bike at school. What else did you do at school? You did chanson araignée? Good job. She said she sings Song of Spider. What else did you do? She on TV. Your araignée song?
Yeah.
What did you eat for lunch? What did you... Come here. Okay. Mama gonna look for araignée. But tell me, what did you eat for lunch? What did you eat? You eat framboise? What else? She said she eat raspberries. What else did you eat?
I eat egg.
You eat egg? What else?
I eat yogurt.
You eat yogurt? Good job. What else?
Eat bread.
You eat bread? Good job. What else?
Banana.
You eat banana? You didn't eat no banana. You sure you eat banana? Okay. What else? You told me you eat pasta.
Pasta.
Yeah. Good job. And they told me that you did not nap. Come here. Why you did not take your nap at nap time? But they say you didn't sleep. They told me you did not sleep. Why you did not sleep? You need to sleep at school. Okay? Alright, you guys. Since the girls are home and the boys are not gonna get home until the next 45 minutes or so, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare dinner for Sarah and I. Today we have lots of food left over from yesterday, Sunday. So today is gonna be Sunday, Monday, so I don't have to cook. So I'm just gonna warm up some food from yesterday, which is ackee and saltfish, chicken, rice, dumpling. Yeah, so that's what today's dinner is gonna be. So you're gonna cook today. You guys, you see my Sunday, Monday. Can you guys tell I'll be going in on these? Hey, yes.